Hey guys, back again. Just wanted to do another quick video, sort of doing some stuff out and around my garage, and I actually had somebody message me on here that watched a couple of my other videos on the bike and seen this car in the background and wanted to know what the story is with it or whatever. I'm not really going to get into a great big long video here, but I figured I'd at least shoot a couple clips and maybe try to fire it up. It hasn't been running in a long time. I haven't driven the car pretty much really at all in probably a decade or longer. It just sits in this garage. From this shot right here, it looks like it's fairly clean, but it's actually quite filthy. It cleans up a lot better than this. But I've had the car. It's an 85 Z-28 Iroc. I've had it since 2002. It came from South Carolina in probably 99 or 2000, a year or two before I bought it. It was brought from South Carolina down here to Nova Scotia, and yeah, like I said, it hasn't really been driven a whole lot in the last 10 years, really, if at all. So we're just gonna hook the battery up here and hit the key and see what we get. Still starts. I haven't started it in a pretty long time. It's been sitting in here forever. As you can see, it's absolutely filthy. Maybe in a later video I might maybe get it out of here and clean it up, maybe do a little bit of review or background story or something like that on it. That's something you want to see. Leave a comment down in the comment section, and maybe we'll pull it out here in the next little while and clean it up, do another little video on it. Alright, thanks guys.